Bandsaw Rules and Guidelines. Always remember eye and ear protection.
Tied back, long hair and loose clothing.
Remove all hand and wrist jewelry.
Always measure the upper guide to 1/4 of an inch or pencil height above the stock.
Keep hands 3 inches away from the blade. Use a push stick if your fingers come closer than 3 inches.
You can also use a clamp to hold your wood.
Use relief cuts when making a long or curved cut.
Never back out of a cut with a machine on.
If the bandsaw is equipped with a brake, use the brake until the blade stops running.
Never use scrap wood to stop the blade. Never walk away from a rotating blade.
In case of a blade breaking, stand to the left of the bandsaw and tell your teacher. Thank you for watching!